you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video I decided to do an elf look with the ears. I did not record how I did the ears. Mainly this look was about the eyeshadow and the face, period. So I decided to do a gold cut crease, and I just added some burgundies and reds and greens at my ears. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. But if you would like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and keep on. So I'm just going to take my e.l.f. concealer and apply it to my lid to prime my eyelids. I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder and set my eyelids. So now I'm going to go in with the matte book from the crayon case. And I'm going to use this shade right here for my transition shade. So now I'm going that same palette and I'm going to use this burgundy and I'm going to put it in my crease. So now I'm just going to blend my edges out. And now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I'm going to use that to cut my crease. So now I'm just going to set my eyelids with the Maybelline pressed powder. So then I'm going to go back into that burgundy in the crayon case and blend my edges out in my crease. So I got this Mica from Nurture Soap, and I'm going to apply it to my lid. And it's called Ruby Red too. It's like a cranberry light color. So I have this gold liquid liner that I got from the beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna trace my cut crease. Create me a wing with this e.l.f. liquid liner. I look like a little boy elf. I'm gonna use my Nivea lotion to moisturize my face. I will be using these two foundations. This is the Fenty Beauty and this is the Ruby Kiss. I'm going to set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. Take this Elf concealer and I'm going to conceal up under my eyes. We're going to highlight with this concealer. It's just a Maybelline concealer and it's in the shade Carmel 40. This was in the shade Deep Cinnamon. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild banana powder and set all those places I have highlighted. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Purple and Prime water, and I'm gonna set my face. Contour. I'm not gonna contour my forehead because of the cat, so I'm just gonna do my nose and the side of my face. I don't have no green eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use white and line my waterline. The crayon case, and I'm gonna use this color green. But I'm just gonna line my lips with this dark brown lip pencil, the crayon case, and it's called Lucci, and it's like a green matte lipstick. So this part here, I just decided to add some blush. So now I have some more Mica, and it's like a white, like frosty like color. Well, here's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on any products I use in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.